The front left tweeter had a fitment issue. It wasn't sitting properly. So I decided to remove it to check what was going on. Since I couldn't determine what was wrong with the tweeter installation, I decided to remove the entire door panel and found this. The foamy piece holding the internal window sill was split into two separate pieces that was crammed behind the tweeter. Additionally, two of the clips that hold the door trim were missing. I am going to use super glue to repair the foam insulation. I will put this repair aside until all of the parts arrive. Now the insulation is repaired, so let's try to install it.